Thanks so much for joining us tonight. I'm Naomi Kitt.
I'm Carol Morrison. We want to waste no time tonight getting to our top story. It's an in-depth look at a shocking case against a local restaurateur who is accused of raping 6 women.
We've been bringing you the details on the case against Nabil Alame from the very beginning. 1 week ago today, police arrested him after accusations of sexual abuse. He's now charged with first-degree rape after his former employees shared stories of abuse they say they suffered at the hands of their boss.
For the first time since his arrest, we're hearing directly from his lawyers as they battle these charges. And we want to warn you that the details in the story may be hard to hear.
2 News Oklahoma Stef Manchen shares that conversation with us and the latest in this case.
Last week, I told you about 6 women coming forward claiming to have been abused by Nabil Alame while working at his restaurant, The Goat Bar and Kitchen in downtown Tulsa. The details of that abuse are alarming, with women claiming he drugged and raped them. Alame's lawyer, Brett Swab, tells me he believes there will be a different story to tell once they gather all the evidence.
Anything that occurred between these alleged victims and our client, it would be our position that, based on our conversations with our client, that they were consensual, whatever they may be.
In the affidavit, the women say Alame was aggressive and forceful to get what he wanted. The women say he made them partake in sexual activities, drugs, and alcohol without their consent, even claiming he recorded himself raping them, making his victims watch the video back. Alame was charged with 3 counts of first-degree rape, among other charges. I asked Swab about the claims made against his client.
But these claims are egregious, and it's not just one person. It's 6 women coming forward and saying there are so many others that were afraid to say anything for retaliation. I mean, do you have anything to say to that or speak to that point?
Well, I mean, I think when you have accusations such as these with any case, with any victim, and with any defendant, those accusations should be looked at. And I'm certainly not saying that people that make accusations are not to be believed. That's not what I'm saying. In fact, they need to be vetted. It needs to have its day in court, and that's what will happen here. I would also say that that applies to the defendant as well, the presumption of innocence.
Swab says that until these allegations are proven in a court of law, Alame is, quote, guilty of nothing.
Are the facts and circumstances aligned with the allegations? And we believe at the end of the day, they will not be.
Alame is said to be cooperating with law enforcement as the case evolves, and we will continue to follow it for you here on all of our platforms. Stef Manchen, 2 News, Oklahoma.
Alame was in court this morning for an arraignment hearing. His arraignment is now rescheduled for June 7th. His attorney told us that gives both sides time to gather the evidence they need to present their case.